What's the meaning of bacon? Bacon. Bacon.
Bacon. Bacon. Bacon is a cured meat product that typically comes from pork, but can also be made from other meats such as beef or turkey. It is typically sliced into strips and cooked until crispy, often served as a breakfast food or used as a topping on sandwiches or salads. Bacon is known for its rich, salty flavor and high fat content, which makes it a favorite indulgence for many people. However, it should be consumed in moderation due to its high calorie and sodium content. Bacon has been enjoyed for centuries and remains a popular food today, with various styles and preparations available around the world.